Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on our Leansimcorp channel. And in this video, we are going to understand flex scripting, that is coding in Flexsim related to color class. Okay, we have already created a video on color class, but that is also before static methods. Okay, so we have completed the color class, their properties, the method, constructor and the static properties in our last video, and in this video we'll be understanding about static methods and the operators used in color class. Okay, so if you haven't watched that video, so I'll recommend you to please watch that video first, so we'll understand more in detail about color class and what are different things you can do using this color class. Okay, so now in this video we'll be covering the rest remaining topics and conclude the color class. Okay, so let us know guys, did you like this video series which we are bringing related to Flexsim flex scripting on Leansimcorp channel? Also, kindly let us know your suggestions and views in the comment section, which could help us improve our videos so that it can meet your requirements. Okay, so now let us begin this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then what are you waiting for? Subscribe today for engineering, healthy lifestyle, industry automation, Flexsim, plant sim and many educational interesting contents which are going to come on Leansimcorp channel. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So now we have understood about what I can say. The last area was about the properties, static properties, right? And we set this processor color to what I can say black, because the code is on processor on entry. Okay, now let us add the by number static method. So let us understand how to use that by number and what is the use or significance of that particular template. Okay, so basically the color dot constructor you have to use anyway, as we last time seen. It was included in the properties and methods will come together into the single list. What you need to do is, based on the number, the name itself implies by number. In Flexsim, the spectrum of standard colors are identified already. So from 1 to 15 you are going to get the same list of colors. Okay, so if you want the list of colors, I'll give that in the description for by number. Okay, so 1 will be for red and that is by default. 2 will be for green, 3 for blue, 4 for yellow, 5 for orange, 6 for purple, 7 for lime, 8 for pink, 9 for grey, 10 for teal, 11 for aqua, 12 for brown, 13 for light blue, 14 for silver and 15 for white. Any numbers above 15 will create a unique color, which will be generated based on an algorithm which is running backend in Flexsim for color generation. Okay, but from 1 to 15 it's already specified, which I just mentioned. Okay, so now what we are going to do, our object, our box or flow item has already been setted with a label. Okay, so 1 to 5 is what the labels will be set up onto our flow item, and then whenever I am going to get item type 1, my processor's color will change to red. If it is 2, green, 3, blue, 4, yellow and 5, orange. Okay, so let us type a code. So how it would be? So you need to type like this: current dot color equal to color, which is a constructor, dot, which I mentioned, properties and methods will be coming in the same list, by number. Okay, and in this by number, what you're going to put in is item dot type, and you're going to close the code, apply the parenthesis, and let us check this now. Okay, I'll bring this bottom. Here it comes, reset and run. Okay, red color for first item type I told, right? Then next item is yellow because the item type is 4, right? So I'll continue this again. I got a black. because it's already here, set it up. It's green, right? Why green? Because my item type would be 2 now, and it is here, right? Now if I again check this, it is blue. That means my item type is 3. It is 3 here. So this is how beautifully you can use the syntax in order to make a dynamic coding to your item as well as your current object. Okay. So this is how you can use color.byNumber. Okay. Now we have applied this color dot. Let us understand how we need to use color.random. Okay. So I'll just copy this. Okay. I'll just paste it here. And color.random is the something you need to just use it. Okay. And I'll just put this here. Okay. And I'll reset and I run this and you get a random colors now. Right? You get a random colors. This is how this color.random, that is the static method, is going to work. Okay. This is how greatly this works. So we have covered, the static methods. Let me know in the comment section how you will be using from palette, and let me know a syntax example in from palette in the comment section. Okay, that would be an homework for you. Now let us do color.operator. Okay, so basically what we are going to do now is we are going to use operators. Okay, this is what we are going to use in now. Okay, now let us understand about the first, what I can say, operator, that is subtraction. Okay, how we can subtract the details out in there. Okay, so if you want to use this operator, what do we need to do? So current.color, okay, current.color is equal to color.aqua minus color.red. Okay, so here it is. We are now using an operator, that is, we are subtracting 2 colors and the resulting color would be your object's color. Okay, let me know in the comment section what is your favorite color. Okay, let me just reset this and I'm running this model now. We are coming here now and next. See, it is done. The color is changed now, guys, and it's a transparent color. Wow, just look at this. This is how the subtraction, what I can say, operator is going to work. Okay, now we are going to use the another operator, and that is we are going to check in by comparing 2 colors. Okay,